We filled that can with gas. We lit it. This is what we do here at Midnight Science Club. Sat here like three idiots waiting for a bang. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Hey, welcome to Midnight Science. He's going to sneeze. He's going to sneeze. The cameraman's going to sneeze. Let's get it over. We all gotta wait. Gotta wait. Just wait a second, folks. The cameraman's got. Don't try to hold it. You'll blow snot all over the place. Woo, that scared me. I thought he was having a heart attack. And you're a Boy Scout. You didn't even jump up to save him.
Staying alive, staying alive.
That's because I knew he was sneezing.
Oh, is that what it is? Okay. Well, welcome to Midnight Science Club. I'm Jake Wizard 4. We're glad to have you back. And two of my favorite wits of all time. What is your name?
Elliot.
Okay, Elliot's here. And this other fellow over here, and you are?
Ethan.
He's Ethan, yeah. What does that say?
Durham MFG, established 1922.
Not that part on the drawer.
Incendium.
Incendium. And what does that mean?
Fire.
Fire, something burning. So I've got a candle out. When Michael Faraday, one of the chief scientists at the Royal Institution, they gave him, I think it was 50 pounds a year, plus a candle allowance. And if you wanted to stay up past sundown, I mean, the city would go dark real quick, wouldn't it? So that's what he had. Problem was, that candle won't last very long, will it? So what do you think came along after candles? They said, we got to do better than this. Candles make wax dripping everywhere, and they're sooty. If you have a room that's got candles in it, it gets all covered with soot. So I got this piece of aluminum. Let's do 5 seconds. Just go down and touch the fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pick it up. What do you see?
Black. Wow, that's a lot of soot. You're right.
Take your finger and run it across there. It's not hot. It's cool down. Ooh, look at that. Now just imagine what it would be like if you had these burning all the time. So the idea was we need something better than paraffin to burn or wax to burn. They replaced it with this thing. And I'm guessing that's about 200 years old.
Based on the fact that you've got a hose hooked up
I've
to
got a hose hooked up to it, yeah.
Probably some sort of a gas lamp.
Yeah, it's a gas lamp. So I'm gonna let the gas go. Ready?
Yep.
Open this valve. You wait just a second there. The gas is flowing. There it is. Ta-da! So I'm gonna give you a little chemistry lesson and then we'll just kind of mess around with it. So, you recognize what I've got here?
Molecule things.
Compounds specifically.
Actually, those are beads. This represents the gas that's coming out of that burner.
Methane.
Oh, you knew
How
methane.
did you remember that?
It's CH4, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens.
I might as well just give up now. This guy's taking over. There it is, a methane molecule. And most of the natural gas that we burn is methane. Sometimes, though, there are 2, C2H6, because there's 6, yeah. You will never forget the name of C2H6. You know why?
Why?
It's called ethane.
Oh.
This stuff is taken when they extract oil out of the ground and refine it. The ethane is taken off usually and made into plastics. You ever heard of polyethylene?
Ah, yes, I
Yeah,
have
they're using ethane, yeah. C3H8, starts with a P. PR, methane, ethane,
Propane?
propane. You've heard of propane.
Yeah.
I sell propane and propane accessories.
C4H10.
Butane.
Ah,
Oh, butane.
Butane,
I should've
butane.
known
Oh, come
that.
on, man, yeah, butane. You've heard of butane?
Yeah, they use it in lighters.
So there they are, methane, ethane, propane, butane, right? And when I burn any one of these 4, usually the product is this. Now, what do you think that red thing that looks like?
That's water.
H2O. So that means what's the red thing?
Oxygen.
Oxygen and 2 hydrogen, H2O. And this would be what?
That's carbon dioxide.
Oh, it's CO2. So if I burn any one of these, the product will be these 2. So where'd the red things come from?
The air, I would imagine.
From the air, yeah. So I thought we should make you familiar with methane. Let's say our friend methane.
Our friend methane.
Yeah. The question is, that's flammable. And see this tube right here is going all the way across the floor over there. Hey, cameraman, would you step on the hose? Well, look what he did. You want to light it back up and
Sure.
take your foot off there. There you go. Why doesn't this blow up? Why didn't the fire go down there?
I think it's probably because it doesn't have enough oxygen.
It won't go down in there because there's no air. Otherwise, we'd have trouble, wouldn't we?
Indeed.
Because you know, over there on that sink, over there in the lab sink, right, is the gas jet that supplies all this. And I often thought, ooh, what would happen if I lit a match under that gas jet?
It'd be like this, but sideways and longer and more.
But it wouldn't go down through the pipe,
Nope.
No.
and it wouldn't go down there because,
There's no oxygen.
see that red can right there? I saw these in the store and I thought, those are full of cookies. But these would be a great gas can. So I had to buy all those and eat all the cookies. Just so you guys would have this.
What sacrifice?
I know the things I do for science, man. We ate a lot of cookies. And the lid, what did I do?
You
Big
drilled a
old
hole in
I
it.
drilled a hole in it. And in the bottom, I did what?
Drilled
Drilled
a
a much
small
smaller
hole.
hole.
We're gonna fill this can with gas. Just pretend like this is a section of that hose, right? You're gonna stick that up in the bottom of there, right? Okay, now you open the valve. Okay, we're gonna let that run.
Okay, it's
We're gonna
going.
let that run for quite a while. Now I'm gonna get some pencils out of my pencil drawer to set the cans on. I've gotta flush this out, get all the air out of there. I'm gonna set it right down there. You keep your finger there.
Ready when you are.
I'm ready, okay, I'll light the match. You light the hole. There, we saw, oh, now we're talking. And the flame isn't going down into the can, why?
Again, because there's not enough oxygen.
Will there be enough product from that combustion to lift that can off the lid?
I think so. I would be surprised.
I can't see the flame anymore. Oh, look, another wit just showed up. You know the wizard handshake? Hey, she's got it. So we're gonna try this again one more time. We're gonna fill this can. This time we're gonna use a can with a little bit bigger hole. So we're flushing it out right now. I'm gonna put that hose in there a ways. Flushing out the air, baby. Put your finger over that hole. Oh my God. Oh, didn't scare you at all, did it? Okay. Okay. You did pretty good, Olivia. You're tearing this up. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're
Yeah.
It'll go.
talking. Now we're talking.
That flame is a lot bigger.
Yeah,
than
it's a
the
lot
previous
faster.
one.
We'll see if we get some action now.
Definitely shrinking.
It's going down in the hole. Come on. I don't know what we did wrong. It's going to take some head scratching to figure out why. I've done this before. All right, come on back over here for a second. Yeah, got your finger over the hole. Okay. Are you ready for this? You did it. You're done. Did you hear it pop? We're hearing it this time.
It always does this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't stand this. Hide behind the fat man. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh almighty.
You actually did get scared.
That was crazy.
I flinched hard, but I didn't actually.
Oh,
Whoa. Well, that worked.
oh. Well, we got it to work, right? Just for fun, we're gonna try some other cans. Look at this nice bigger can,
Three
right?
holes.
Well, what have I got? What do I have?
1, 2, 3 holes.
3 holes. Filling it up with gas again, right? Get your finger over there. Everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take your finger off.
3 pops. There we go. It worked.
What the heck? Oh my.
This
You
sounds
hear
quite
that?
ominous.
Sounds like bees.
We're in an airplane.
Oh, oh, that was sweet.
That was excellent.
That was awesome.
Look at this guy.
That 3 holes.
We're just doing this for fun. You've got a hole there at the top. Look at that.
Yeah.
Let's all sing along. There you go. Put it over the hole. Right over the hole. There you go. There, you got it, girl. Okay, this is good. What's the biggest thing we learned
Oh,
today?
it's coming. It's coming.
Oh.
Oh, wow. That almost hit the ceiling.
That was great.
Wow.
Did you like that? You did like that? You're all right. This young lady liked that. Well, thank you so much for stopping by Midnight Science Club. Another episode with 2.5 wits. Olivia's just first time. You did pretty good, didn't you? Well, anything you want to say to the cause? Want to say goodbye or what?
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Is that all you got in you?
That's about it.
Salutations.
Salutations. All right.
Salutations. Oh, not
You check us
goodbye.
out on other forms of
it?
social media. We'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you, Olivia, for your first day as a wit in training. There you go. Thank you for joining us. Thank you, Olivia. And thank you, Ethan and Elliot. You're good folks. Now, we'll only say that once a year. That was it. The rest of the time, you're honoring. Right now, you're good folks. That's great. Shall we fire this thing up on the way out?
Oh, yes.
Okay, we'll put some more gas in there and fire it up.